Hello everyone, you are welcome to my new video, and today in this video you will learn to create the subscribe form using HTML and CSS. You can see on my computer screen I have added one subscribe form, and in this subscribe form you can get the email on your Google Sheet. You can see on my computer screen I have added one feature image in the left side, and in the right side I have added one form, and in this form I have added one small image, and I have added one latest message, an email input box, and one submit button. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, Inspect YouTube channel, to watch more videos like this one. Now let's start this video. Here I have one images folder. Let me open this folder. I have added two image for this website design. So you can download these images using in the video description. Let me create one index.html file. So to create the file, just right click here and click on the new, then click on the text document. Let me rename it index.html. And after that we have to create CSS file also. So just right click here and click on the new and click on the text document. Rename it style.css. That's it. So this is the how we can create the HTML and the CSS file. Now we need to open these two files using our text editor. So I am using Visual Studio Code. So let me open these two files in my Visual Studio Code. So this is my HTML file and this one is CSS file. Now we need to add some basic structures in the HTML file. So let me type basic structures. So this is the basic structure of the HTML file, and let me remove it because we don't need here. And after that we should be rename it the title. So the title is subscription. That's it. The title is subscription form, inspect YouTube channel. And after that save it. To save the document you can use this method also. So Ctrl S, the shortcut key, and the function is save. And let me come to the CSS file, and we need to type some basic structures. So star, it means the all the element. So margin 0, padding also 0, and the font family sans serif. Box sizing, it would be a border box. That's it. Now we need to connect this CSS file with the HTML file. To do that, just enter the key and type link. So link rel is style sheet href. You should add the file path for this style.css. Let me see the file path location. So I have added in the same folder. So we can type the same name, style.css. We don't need any folder structure. So style.css. That's it. We have successfully created the CSS file and the HTML file. Now come to the body. So in this body, let me create one class name. So the class name is hero. Now copy the class name hero and come to the CSS file and paste it here. Dot hero, because we should add dot because it's a class name. So in this hero, we should add minimum height. So minimum height is 100 vh. It means vertical height, and width it will be 100%. And now we should add one background color. So to add the background color, let's add background. Type this color code. So the background color is this color code. And after that, display, it will be flex. Align items, center. So you can see all the items in the center of the web page. Justify content, it will be center. Flex direction, column, because we should have two columns for this web page. So that's why I have added flex direction is column. And after that, let me open this HTML file with the browser. So I am using Google Chrome. So I am open the web browser. So you can see one light background layer color in this our web page. Now let's come back on the HTML file, and in this hero, let me create one class name subscription box, because we need to create one box. So I am using one class name subscription box. And in this subscription box, we should have two boxes. So first one is left box and another one is right box. So I am creating the left box. Just duplicate it and change the class name right box. That's it. Now we have two boxes. And in this left box, we should add one image. So I am using img tag, imc src. We don't need this alternative key. So src is, I should add my folder path. My folder is in the images. So we should add this feature jpg. So let's come back. Images, feature.jpg. That's it. And after that, we should add one class name also. So class name is feature image. That's it. Now copy the class name subscription box and come to the CSS file and paste it here with the dot. In this subscription box, let me type display, it would be flex, and the align items, center, flex wrap. So wrap with 90%. So you can see the 10% is padding, and after that maximum width. So max width 800 pixel. Background, so background color is this color code. And after that padding is 0. That's it. And come to the HTML file, copy the class name left box. For this left box, padding it will be 0 pixel. And after that background is this color code. And the flex basis, it will be 50%. So the 50% is the left box, and the another 50% is the right box. And flex grow, so flex grow is, it would be a 1. And height is 220%. You should add the percentage mark. And after that, let me refresh your web page. You can see one big image and one flex box is the 50%. And let's come back. We should be design the image. To do that, let's come back, copy the class name left box, and after that we should design this image. So to do that, copy the class name feature box, feature image. That's it. For this image, let's add one width. So width is 100%, and the background, it would be white color. So background is this color code. That's it. Now we need to copy this left box and paste it here. In this left, change it right. So right box, the padding is 50 pixel and the flex base is 50% and the flex grow 1. So we don't need this color code, so we have to change it. So the background color is double A, double B and double F, and remove this height. That's it. Refresh your web page. You can see these background images in the 100% of the width. Now let's come back. Come to the HTML file. Now come to the right box. We should add some information in the right box. So in the right box we should create the class name box2. So the class name is box2. In this box2, let me create one image img tag. So img. So remove this alternative. We don't need that. File path is images slash message dot jpg. File name is message. That's why I have added here message. That's it. We should add one title. So I am using h2 tag. In this h2, let's type get the latest update mail to you. That's it. So here remove this space and type br tag. It means break the line. So we can get this single line with the two line. That's it. And after this h2, we should create one form. So type form tag. Remove this accent. In this form, let me type input. So we should create one email input. So type is email. And I need to add one name also. So the email name is email. It is important. And after that, placeholder is enter your email. And this field is required. So without this submission, it's not be allowed. And after that, we should create one submit button. So tag is button. Button type is submit. Button text is subscribe. That's it. Now refresh your web page and you can see in the right side field, this one is box and this one is button and this one is text also. Now we need to design this side. To do that, let's come back, copy the class name right box and paste it into the CSS file. So here right box, and after that copy the class name box2, box2 with the dot because it is the class name, and after that h2 because we should align this title text. Font size is 17 pixel, and text align it will be a center. That's it. And after that just copy this class name right box box2, and here remove this dot. So padding is the 50 pixel from the top and bottom and left and right side, and after that background is this color code. That's it. And we have to design the image also. So to do that, copy this again, this class name, img. So image, for this image let's set the width is 80% and the margin left, so margin left is 20 pixel. Let me refresh your web page. That's it. You can see the small icon and the description also. Now we need to design this input box and the subscription button. To do that, let's come back. So here I have added one form tag, and in this form tag I have added one input and one the button tag. So we have two things here. So first we should design the input box. So copy the class name right box. So I have added already here. So I am type dot right box dot box2, and in this box2 I have added form, and after this form let me type this field name is input. So copy this field name and paste it here, input. In this input you can see one outline is in the dark color outline. Now we need to remove that line. To remove that outline it will be none, and the width 100%. Background it will be this color code, and after that so border is 1 pixel, it is the size, and the color is solid. Format color code is as BC, BE and the BF. That's it. Let me refresh your web page and you can see this input box. Now let's come back. Here let me type placeholder. For this placeholder let's type padding. So padding is 10 pixel. That's it. Now we should design this submit button also. So copy the tag name is button and type the button. Copy this format. Before this button paste here. That's it. For this button width is 100% and the margin top is 30 pixel and height 40 pixel. Background color, so background color is has 1 FWDF, we have already used it, and border is none. Now we should increase the font size. So font size is 20 pixel, and font weight is 500. Color, so text color is white color. And after that, save the changes and let me refresh your web page. You can see this subscription form. Now you can see this input box. We have one problem here because the border is dark color, but we don't need this dark border. So let's come back on the CSS file, and here in this border you can see this typing mistake. So change the solid. That's it. And after adding this, let me refresh your web page. We have successfully completed this subscription form. Now we need to connect this page to the Google Sheet. To do that, let's come back on the Google. Here, let me type Google Sheet. So Google Sheets. So just click on this link, Google Sheets. This is the website google.com Sheets. So here you can find this button, go to Sheets. Just click here. Now here in this field, you can type email, bold it, and type the sheet name. So sheet name is email list. You can type anything here. That's it. So if you have more field, you can type these columns also. So I am added only these things because I have added only one field in my web page. That's right. Now let's come back. So click on the extensions. In extensions, you can find the apps script. Just click here. You can see this script. So just remove this script. We don't need this script because we should add another script here. So remove it and come to your new tab, and here let's search form to Google Sheet, GitHub. So you can find these links, James William form to Google Sheet. Just click here, and after that just scroll down and you can find this script. So just click here because we should copy this text, all the script, and after that come to this app script, paste it here. So hello, that's it. And after this padding, click on the save, then run. Click on the review permissions. Select your Google account. So I am selecting my account. It is saying Google hasn't verified this app. So just click on the advanced and click on the go to untitled project unsave. Click on the allow. So the authorized is successful, and after that now you can see this execution started message and execution is completed message. And after that rename this project. So project name is, we have already added email list. Email list. That's it. Rename it. You can see this project was renamed message, and after that click on the deploy, new deployment, settings, web app, and after that we should add one description. So you have already added the description is email list. So you don't need this, change this email ID. And here who has access, just click here and change it to anyone. It is important, so change this option called anyone, and after that deploy. And after that you can receive one URL here. Now come to the GitHub link, scroll down, and you can find one script. So just copy this script, come to your Visual Studio Code in this HTML file. Before this, ending the body tag here, paste it here, and here you can find this const script URL, So here you should place this script URL. So URL is this one. So copy this URL and paste it here. That's it. And after that, copy this, submit to Google Sheet, and come to your form. Here let me type one name, so paste it here, submit to Google Sheet, save the changes. And after that, let's come to your web page, refresh your web page, and after that here type any email ID. So I am type xyz@mail.com. Click on the subscribe, and after that just right click here, inspect, click on the console, and you can see success response. It means this email ID will be received in your sheet. Now come to your Excel sheet, and here you can find your email ID. And after that, let's come back on your HTML file, and here after this form you should add one span tag, and for this span tag let's add one ID. So ID is message. So I am type thanks for you. Now let me refresh your web page. You can see one message here. Now we don't need this message, so let me hide this one. So hide, and after that in this script type const. It means one variable. So const name is message is equals document dot forms, and after that add here also. Now here type const message equals to document. Here let me change it, document dot get element by ID. Copy this ID, MSG, paste it here, and after that Here you can see the response. So just remove this console.log success response curly bracket, and here let me type message dot inner HTML. Type your message. Thanks for you. Let me set one time. So set timeout. So the timeout is, we should have 5 seconds. So let me type function curly bracket comma 5000. It means 5000 millisecond. Just copy this message inner HTML thank you for you and just paste it here, and remove this thank you for you message. And after that, form dot preset. Now come to your web browser, and here let me type another email ID, and after that click on the subscribe. Now you can see the thanks message successfully, and in this email list you can see all the email IDs that I have written. So this is the how we can create the subscription form using HTML, CSS and simple JavaScript. I hope in this video will be helpful for you. If you have any questions related this subscription form, you can ask me in the comment section, and please hit the like button and also subscribe Inspect YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.